At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Range of motion refers to how far a joint or body part can move around a fixed point. It is essential for evaluating the function of the musculoskeletal system and plays a key role in diagnosing, treating, and monitoring various medical and rehabilitative conditions. A knee range of motion chart is a practical tool used by healthcare professionals and patients to assess, record, and track knee joint flexibility, strength, and recovery, especially during rehabilitation. It typically includes measurements for flexion, extension, and sometimes internal and external rotation. Here's a quick overview of how it works and how you can use it. Step 1. Measure and record. Prepare a goniometer, writing materials, and the range of motion chart. Have the patient sit, stand, or lie down, then measure knee flexion and extension using the goniometer. Record the angle measurements and note any pain, discomfort, or other observations on the chart. Step 2. Interpret results. Analyze the findings. Normal knee range of motion typically includes 0 degrees for full extension and up to 135 degrees for full flexion. Include interpretation notes to help track progress or identify limitations. Step 3. Discuss with the patient. Review the results with the patient. Use the chart and notes to help them understand their knee's limitations and condition. Step 4. Track and compare. Store the completed chart for future reference. Use it to monitor progress, adjust treatment plans, or assess recovery after surgery or injury. Whether you're a healthcare professional supporting rehabilitation or a patient working toward recovery, using a knee range of motion chart is a reliable way to stay on top of your progress. Don't forget to update the chart regularly and bring it to follow-up appointments. It could make all the difference in achieving better outcomes and a quicker return to full mobility. You can learn more about topics like knee range of motion chart in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.